We're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're at the show. Brought samples of our pipe. Here's our 3.5-inch quad pack with the clips. You can see how much water you can flow, and look at the space in between the pipes that you create when you put a quad pack together. Also have space in between the pipe below. Crazy strong, super thick. We made the 3.5-inch pipe even heavier than the 4-inch. I don't know, we just went all out. We tried a bunch of different things, and it's absolutely amazing what the contractors are doing with this perforated pipe. The French drains that they're building is just amazing because they're getting more airspace in their French drain with the 3.5. You can fit more pipe in the trench, which creates more space. So as a result, you're wheelbarrowing less stone. Stone is really expensive. Yeah, if you use really big stone, it has really big voids, but it don't have a void this big. So come check us out. We're in Fort Lauderdale. We're at the show, the Tropical Plant Show.